It's the first day of fall. Are you ready? Today I hope to inspire you to get in the spirit of the season change. Home. My name is Jill and I'm glad you're here. I have some great before and after photos of my fall transition to show you today. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe as I upload 2 videos a week, and I'd love to see you again. So with fall decor, one of the things that we did was walk around to get some inspiration. Joann Fabrics, Michaels, Kirkland's, just to name a few. Get some ideas, see some new stuff that's out there, kind of gets you in the mood to decorate for the fall. There's a couple ways you can go about this. One is a subtle color and decor for fall, which I have a good friend that did this. And I want to show you an example. She used her focal point. And if you notice the textures and different items that are put together, creates a very nice fall appearance. The first thing you want to do is start with a clean slate. Do not be afraid to locate items to adjust to the decor that you're going to create. Things can always be moved and replaced. I opted to incorporate color and have a few different ideas here to show you. So a mantle and fireplace is usually a focal point. You may have another one that you want to utilize. And then also take some of the same types of color and blend them in different areas of the home to give a more of a cohesive look. I did not want it to appear busy, but I wanted to make a statement. So here in another project, we took old Italian glass jars that I've had for years and decided to put some fall items in them. Now, these LED lights were a great find. They were on clearance at Kohl's. They're battery operated and also will be on a timer, so they will come on at night. We added some apples to the mix and some garland leaves from the garland there. It really added a nice ambiance, and we had two of these and put them in the living room in different spots. So some simple things you can do. Here's my couch before, just a couple of cushions. If you decide you do not want to do a big decor change, that's all you need. Just make a little bit of a statement change. Now, as for that tree in the back corner, that's a whole other story that I've had that up all year and I've been trying to play with it. So I decided to take fall leaf garland and cut it up in different sections to just decorate the tree. I found an inexpensive throw with some of those pumpkins just for the bottom, just to add some more color. We'll talk about that tree in another video. I love summer, but I look forward to fall traditions. As we enter the season, what is your favorite tradition? What is the one thing that you look forward to? Let me know down below. Thank you for your time. Let me know with a thumbs up if you like this video, the notification button so you are alerted when I upload a new video. Make your day a happy one. I hope you find order